So most fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substrate called saprophytes. The organism which are depends on the dead organism called as saprophytes depends on living plant and animals called parasites. So dead पे अगर depend कर रहे हैं that is called saprophyte. Uh, sorry. If लिविंग प्लांट और एनिमल पे डिपेंड कर रहा है अपने फूड के लिए दैट इज कॉल्ड पैरासाइट राइट so they can also live as symbiont in association with algae as lichen. Listen student, lichen is a association of algae and fungi. It is the symbiotic relationship of algae and fungi. This is called lichens with roots of higher plant as mycorrhiza. When fungi associate with roots of mycorrhiza with roots of higher plant, this is called mycorrhiza, right? Now reproduction in oh sorry ये पंजाबी लिखा है, this is not a Punjabi, uh, it's a fungi actually. I'm very sorry for this mistake. Reproduction in fungi takes place by fragmentation, fission, and budding. Asexual reproduction is by spores called conidia or zoospores, and sexual reproduction by spores is ascospores and basidiospores. Listen, student, when asexual type of reproduction takes place, when on in the asexual reproduction, the spores are formed. Those are called conidia or zoospore. When sexual reproduction takes place, then which spores are formed, those are called ascospores and basidiospores. So you can say like ascospores and basidiospores are sexual spores and conidia and zoospores are asexual spores. Clear? The sexual cycle involves the following three steps: plasmogamy, karyogamy, meiosis, and zygote. Plasmogamy means fusion of protoplasm, karyogamy means fusion of nuclei, meiosis and zygote resulting in haploid spore. You know that mitosis and meiosis type of cell division. So I will tell you later about it, right? Now fungi are divided into following groups: Phycomycetes, they are aquatic on decaying wood, stand, damp places. The mycelium is aseptate and cenocytic. This is the wrong. Please forget it or ignore this. Cenocytic, you know, student, cenocytic means uh, more than two nuclei, more than one or two nuclei in one cell. There is more than one or two nuclei. That condition is called cenocytic condition, right? So, sexual reproduction takes place by zoospores or by aplanospores. A zoospore is formed by fusion of two gametes. These are similar in morphology, isogamous or dissimilar and isogamous. Examples are Mucor, Albuco, Rhizopus. These are the examples of Phycomycetes, right? Isogamous and isogamous means when the spores are similar in structure, similar in morphology, and they just fuse together and form a zygote. That is called isogamous, right? When two gametes are dissimilar or different in their morphology, that is called an isogamous. Clear? Now comes to the ascomycetes. It is commonly called as or known as stag fungi. Student remember it. Penicillium are the multicellular fungi and unicellular are yeast. ठीक है? Yeast are the unicellular and they are saprophytic decomposers, parasitic or coprophilous. Mycelium is branched and septate. What's the meaning of coprophilous? Coprophilous means they are growing on the dung, right? गोबर पे या वेस्ट मटेरियल पे जो ग्रो करते हैं those are called as coprophilous. Clear? So asexual spores are conidia and sexual spores are ascospores. I told you before. Examples are Aspergillus, Claviceps, Neospora. These are used in biochemical and genetic work. Clear? So these Neurospora and Claviceps, Aspergillus, they are helping in the genetic engineering also. Clear? Now comes to Basidiomycetes. Basidiomycetes is the group of mushroom, right? Mushroom, you people knows about mushroom. Bracket fungi and puffballs. Uh, they grow in soil, tree, trunk, and in living plant bodies as parasites. Example: rust and spots. Reproduction by fragmentation is common. Sex organs are absent, but plasmogamy is brought about by fusion of two vegetative cells and formed basidium. Generally, sexual reproduction does not takes place here, but the fusion of vegetative cell takes place here. That is formed basidium, and karyogamy and meiosis takes place in that basidium that forms the four basidiospores, right? So examples are agaricus, mushroom, astilago, that is smut, puccinia or rust, right? इसी astilago को ही smut कहते हैं और puccinia को ही rust कहते हैं. Agaricus is called as mushroom. These are the actually scientific name or biological name of these organisms, right? Now Deuteromycetes are commonly known as imperfect fungi. Why they are imperfect fungi? Because they have only the asexual phases in their life cycle, right? The mycelium is septate and branched. Some members are saprophytes or parasites, while a large number of them are decomposers of litter and help in mineral cycling. Yeah? Minerals की cycling में ये help करते हैं. They work as a decomposers. Examples are like Alternaria, Polytotrichum, and Trichoderma. Right? These are the example of Deuteromycetes. Why they are called as imperfect fungi? Because they have only the asexual phases in their life cycle. Right? This is the reason. So, student, we have studied like kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi. Three kingdom we have done. Now, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia is left. It is given in your book the whole chapter, so we will discuss it later. Now you have studied about all these kingdoms. Now some very small things are given here like viruses, viroids, prions and lichens. They are also the organism, but they are not classified according to the Whittaker, right? According to the Whittaker classification, like in five kingdom classification, which is given by the Whittaker, uh, these are not given there. Viruses, viroids, and prions and lichens, right? So we are studying it here. Viruses did not place any classification. I told you. So once they infect the cell, they take over the machinery of the host cell to replicate themselves. They just take over the machinery of the cell of the host cell, right? Who? Viruses. And they just replicate themselves, they replicate to themselves, they just increase their population in the host cell, right? Now comes, you see, this is the structure of TMV, tobacco mosaic viruses, right? Here RNA is a genetic material, either RNA or DNA is here. Only protein and genetic material is present here. So capsomere is the protein, capsid, protein coated or protein coat or capsid. Capsid, this is called capsid. This is actually the protein coat, right? And nucleic acid is present here in the middle section like that. Nucleic acid will be either DNA or RNA, right? So the name virus, that means venom or poisonous fluid, was given by Dmitry Ivanovsky 1892 में. Genetic material या तो DNA होगा या RNA होगा. Viruses are cause disease like mumps, smallpox, herpes and influenza. AIDS in human beings, you know. In plants the systems can be, plant में भी भाई viral diseases होती हैं like mosaic formation. Viruses cause disease, mumps, smallpox, herpes and influenza, AIDS in here. These are the viral disease in human beings. As you know, nowadays corona is also a very popular viral disease, right? So in plant the symptoms can be plus in plant also there are viral disease like in TMV. In tobacco plant there is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus is there, which is formed, which cause the mosaic formation.